So, hello everyone, dear friends, this is Franklin. You're on the C and Franklin channel, and I'm glad to welcome you to our video. In today's brand new video, I'm going to take on a little bit of a challenge to earn $5,000 in just 5 minutes. Yes, guys, it sounds pretty unbelievable, but I really think I can pull it off. Also, guys, don't miss our new videos. Today, I'll be trading using my personal strategy. My strategy is available on my Telegram channel, and the link to Telegram can be found in the comments and the channel description. Well, let's not drag this out any longer and get started with trading, guys.
My pocket option account currently has about $10,000. My task in just 5 minutes is to make 15,000 out of it, which means earning 5,000. To do this, I'll be opening several 1-minute trades, so basically I'll have 5 separate trades in total. So I'm opening the very first trade for an increase right away. We're getting a really great candle here, guys. I don't think this will be an impossible task at all, because I have a very good starting budget, and basically my trading strategy has been working exceptionally well all day today. If you want to know more about it, please go to the link in the comments below and subscribe to our channel. We'll be very glad to see you there. So as we can clearly see from the technical analysis, the currency pair was in a large long buying period for quite some time. A small downward correction occurred recently, and now a new upward trend is starting to form. Basically, we can make some very good money on it right now, and we can make good money on the specific movements of this particular chart. Just excellent. So our first trade is a bit doubtful, but it's like in the last seconds. No, it fails right at the very last second. Well, okay, it's not a big deal at all. Now we can go ahead and open 3 trades for an increase. Trades for an increase that will return our money and significantly increase our deposit. Yes, guys, I wouldn't do this in normal times, but today, as you can see, we have a special video, meaning I have a challenge, and in this challenge I must earn this money. So I only have 3 trades left to earn $10,000. Just unimaginable, guys. But nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. And yes, we're getting a good upward candle. I am really hoping that this trade turns out to be highly profitable, but I think the market correction period won't be that long, and now an active buying trend will begin. Yes, we see that the currency pair is a bit overbought, but there's nothing terrible or critical about that. Okay? Come on, let's keep holding our positions right here, and yes, that is excellent. We are taking our profit now. So guys, I have just three trades left, and I need to earn $4,000 more. Let's immediately open one more trade for an increase and wait for the result. Okay. 50 seconds. So far, our position in the market is very strong. I think if the chart drops to the entry point of the trade now, we can immediately open another one. We are opening trades on one. Also, guys, today I'm trading again on the Pocket Option Broker. For me, this is considered the most attractive broker and the most attractive platform of those on the market. It's quite convenient. If you're a beginner, you'll also have a lot of bonuses. I can give them to you. Just go to my Telegram channel and subscribe, guys. I'm waiting for you there. So, okay. Only 4 seconds left. And oh no, our trade is failing. So, good. We have 2 trades left to earn $5,000. Now I think we can successfully open 3 trades for an increase, as we can clearly observe here. The indicator lines on the chart show us a sharp upward trend. So come on, this is great. We have 40 seconds left waiting for the result. If we look closely, we can clearly notice that right here at this specific point, the alligator lines have finally crossed each other. And from this moment, the pair begins active growth. Therefore, we are supporting this trend. In principle, quite a bit, I think it's a confident trade. That is, it will bring us profit. And there will be only $2,000 left for one final trade. But guys, it is actually not as difficult as it seems. 9 seconds, 8, 7. Guys, well, this is just unimaginable. The market today is just in excellent condition. And we're earning again. We only have $2,000 left to make. And so for this, let me change the pair to another one. Because right now it's like not the best period for trading on this one. But although we see an active rising trend, guys, okay, let's change the pair and we see good lines for a decrease. Let's wait a little bit longer for a while to observe more closely how this specific currency pair continues to behave as the market develops further. Although we can clearly see that right now at this very moment there is a strong downward trend. Some kind of market correction is happening. And the chart is starting to climb higher. So guys, well, I think although this chart is moving towards its peak, we'd better switch over to a different currency pair. Okay, I have currency pair for us. That is looking great. We're opening 3 upward trades right here. I opened them this way just to be safe. We can see that there was some kind of short-lived correction and now the chart is back in a buying state. Oh, this is an excellent result for us. Even though we're getting red candles right away, it's no big deal. The direction can change at any second. Now, we just wait patiently. 40 seconds is still plenty of time for us to make a good profit on this trade, my dear friends. Thank you all very much for taking the time to watch this video today. If you've watched until this point, give it a like, write comments, follow the link to my Telegram. There you can start earning along with me. So guys, let's get back to the trade. I want to say that we're getting a good, solid, thick upward candle. Only 10 seconds left, and we have quite a strong position in the market. The main task now is not to lose it, even though the market is quite heading that way. No guys, look, we're winning in 3, 2, 1. Great, we're getting a solid profit here. I even overfulfilled this entire challenge because I started out with less than $10,000 and earned more than $15,000 now. That is a total of about $6,000 in just 5 trades. Guys, well, this is just madness and unimaginable. If you want to do the same, if you want to earn the same way, just go to my Telegram.